Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to fix your downloaded file missing on Telegram. If you're experiencing missing downloaded file on Telegram, here's how you can fix it. First of all, you can ensure that the Telegram is saving file to exceeded downloaded location on your device. By default, Telegram saves file to download folders, but you may have changed this location in the app settings. So for that case, you have to go ahead and log in into your Telegram, and when you're on the Telegram app, then go to the tab bar icon and go to settings. Over here, scroll down a bit and go to data and storage, and here you should be able to see that whether you've enabled permission or whether you've changed the location or not. Now sometimes downloaded files may not immediately appear in the app. You can also try refreshing the Telegram app by pulling down on the chat list or file list to see if the missing file appears or not. In that case, you can also try updating your app. So for that case, go to your Play Store. On the search box, type in Telegram and make sure that the app is completely up to date. If the app is completely up to date, you're still unable to fix it, then you can also use the search bar function within Telegram to search for the missing file by name or file type. And it's possible that a file is present but not immediately visible in the chat or file list. Apart from it, you can also ensure that your device has enough storage space available to save downloaded files. If your device is low on storage, Telegram may have trouble saving file properly as well. And out of all, make sure that the file you're trying to download is supported by the Telegram. The Telegram support a wide range of file format, but some may not be compatible. By following this step, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue missing downloaded file on Telegram. If the problem persists on, you may want to contact the support for further assistance. So that's basically how you can file missing on Telegram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.